Are you looking for the best Kitchenaid garbage disposals in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Kitchenaid garbage disposals that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Moen Continuous Feed Garbage Disposal with Power Cord GXP50CGX Pro Series. This garbage disposal unit gives you outstanding results using the latest technology. The motor uses Voltex technology and powerfully and quickly grinds all meat, vegetable, and fruits. The garbage disposal is easy to install and does not need any professional expertise. Additionally, the garbage disposal is high-speed with 2,600 rotations per minute and therefore grinds everything swiftly at high speed and thus no jamming or blockage is expected. The garbage disposal has a 3 years warranty and therefore in case of a quality issue you can be backed by the manufacturer. At number 4. InSinkErator Corded Kitchenaid Garbage Disposals. Affordability as a factor of buying a product makes this garbage disposal one of the most selling and number 1 all over the United States of America. The InSinkErator brand has sold millions of units and remains on the list of best-selling garbage disposal units. The functionality of InSinkErator Corded Garbage Disposal makes it one of the best and most reliable products you can trust at all times. The durability is unrivaled and is also space-saving and compact. Moreover, it grinds all the food remains and disposes of all the waste most appropriately. At number 3. Waste King Garbage Disposal L2600 with Cord. Are you looking for a garbage disposal unit that will grind all waste vegetables, meat like fish, chicken, and all fruits instead of always bagging them in the litter bin? You have just landed on the desired crusher that will help you dispose of all the food waste safely and hygienically. The Waste King Garbage Disposal L2600 with Cord features a high-speed motor with 1/2 horsepower. The garbage disposal motor has 2,600 rotations per minute and therefore will grind everything easily and fast without any jamming expected. At number 2. Moen Continuous Feed Garbage Disposal GX50C. The noise produced by most of the Kitchenaid garbage disposals is disgusting and cannot allow a sleeping baby to have a comfortable rest. Therefore you need to consider buying the best garbage disposal that will offer quiet operation for everyone, peace of mind in the house. The Moen Continuous Feed Garbage Disposal GX50C is also easy to install, for you do not need to be an electrician. The whole installation process is easy and fast, taking you only a few minutes and the setup is done. The durability of this garbage disposal is also outstanding and will give you the best services for years. At number 1. Wastemade Continuous Feed Kitchenaid Garbage Disposals. This garbage disposal uses a 3/4 horsepower motor and thus no jamming is expected, for it is highly powerful. The garbage disposal has 2,700 rotations per minute and hence no food can clog inside for any reason whatsoever. This product operates at a frequency of 60 Hz and 120 volts. Additionally, the Wastemade Continuous Feed Garbage Disposal is equipped with a silver guard that ensures no cutlery or metal object can get inside the disposer using the strong magnetic system. Moreover, it is a bioshield to keep bacteria and smell away. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.